Carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals are animals that eat only meat, flesh of other animals, to survive. Examples: big cats, lion, tiger, leopard, cheetah; wild dogs, wolf, hyena, jackal; birds of prey, eagle, hawk, owl, vulture; herbivores eat only plants, grass, leaves, fruits. Examples: cow, goat, deer, elephant, giraffe, horse. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Examples: human, bear, crow, dog, pig, chicken. Insectivores eat only insects. Examples: frog, lizard, spider, bat, anteater. Scavengers eat dead animals. Examples: vulture, hyena, jackal, crabs. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.